you're a designer and you only know designing, your place in the industry is at risk. The world is moving it at such a fast speed that now companies require more value in less price. And if you don't upgrade yourself, you will not be able to survive. So today I'm going to tell you 4 skills which individually one can make a career in and survive in the industry, but when combined with designing you can create a boom. So hi guys, my name is Yash and I have a one task for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and now let's move on to the 4 skills. So number 1, copywriting. So what is copywriting? Copywriting is in the simple words, selling through words. What you are writing on a website, what you write on the sales copy, and what you write on the landing page, all comes under copywriting. And for example, if you are making a website for a client and you need a copywriter to write the words on the website, and if you can do it both together, you can add a great value in the client's life, and it will be time saving and money saving for you only and your client also. Number 2, social media marketing. In order to survive in today's world, we need to grow our social media presence. For making a personal brand, just like I am making videos on YouTube, Instagram and all, and to learn about the ads, how you can run ads on different platforms, how you can grow your presence on different platforms, you can all learn in the social media marketing. And you can offer a client, or you can upsell your skill to the clients. For example, if you are designing ads, so you can also tell your client, yes, I can run ads for you, and you can upsell 2 skills. You can upsell the second skill on the first one and make more money. So yeah. Number 3, sales. And it is the biggest skill on the planet right now. The person who knows how to sell will able to survive in any industry. So sales is individually amazing to carry on your freelance career, or to find the leads and to sell your designs, and there are a lot of things, but I think these 3 will fit for designers only. There are a lot of stuff in sales, so you can learn this thing also. And last but not the least, communication. Through communication you can just talk to the person in the form of videos, just like me, and you will tell them to subscribe to the channel. Okay, it jokes apart. You can communicate with your community. You can network with the people with the help of communication, and it will help a lot to improve your career. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, please hit a like, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and follow me on different social media platforms. And guys, see you in the next video. Bye.